Hello and welcome to Raska Papercraft YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to make this 3D origami model. This is a 3D origami bird or parrot. Okay, this is a prototype, I said, and it is not entirely finished, but this is my model for now. It look pretty well, and I want to show you how to make this 3D origami model. Okay, for making this we will need 3D origami pieces. Alright, for this model I use 4 color, one dark green is yellow, and two types of light green. Okay, and if you do not have two kind of this color, you may use only one type of light green. Okay, these are small pieces. You will obtain 64 pieces like this from an A4 sheets of paper. If you do not know how to make this 3D origami piece, please you will have a link in the left corner of the screen. All right, and let's start. Okay, to make this model, in the first we need to make a 3D origami open base. Okay, if you do not know how to make a 3D origami open base, you will have a link in the right corner of the screen. Okay, we have 3 rows, and every rows have 20 pieces. Okay, and the order is this. Put 4 yellow, then one kind of light green, then two dark green, then the other light green, and then we will repeat 4 yellow, 2 light green, 2 dark green, another one, 2 light green. Okay, it's very simple. 8 yellow, 4 dark green, and another 8 light green. Okay, next we will put another 4 rows, and we will respect the pattern like this, and we will continuing. Then we put 4 yellow pieces like this, then again 2 light green, then 2 dark green, not forget to use glue, again light green, and then we put 4 yellow pieces like this, 3 and another one, and then 2 light green and another one, 2 dark. Okay, you see we respect the pattern, and put another 3 rows. Sorry for this. Okay, put another 3 normal rows. Alright, after we put another 3 rows, we will have something like this. In total we have 7 rows, and every rows have 20 pieces. Alright, and now we will take this where we have 2 dark pieces, and we will put one pieces here, but we will not put another one dark green. We will let a free space, and then we put a light green, and we will continuing to fill uh, the row respecting the pattern we use until now. Do not forget to use glue. Okay, complete the row. Right now we finish the 8th row, and we have here a free space. And now we will continue in the next row. We will put a dark one like here, and in the other part of this gap we will put only uh, one light green, and we will continuing until we finish the row. Put the normal pieces until you finish the row respecting the pattern. Right, and then in the next row here we will continuing this dark row. Alright, and here every row we will increase the gap. We will let another free space, okay? And in the next row we will not have any light green here. We will have direct yellow pieces, okay? And continuing to do this until you will have in the last row only 10 pieces, okay? Remember this line we will go until the end, and in this part you will increase the free space with one pieces on every row. Alright, we will obtain something like this. We have in total 17 rows, and of 17 normal rows, and after 7 rows we will start to lose a piece. We will let a free space, a piece on every row, alright, until we will obtain something like this. Then we will put a piece like this, and in the other part another one like this. Alright, and we will put a dark one here and another one here like this, and then we will complete the row. Here 2 light green, okay, then 4 yellow, right, just a moment, like this, and another one green, okay, and then we will put another 2 light green. Oh, I mistake the color. And here we put another one dark, okay, see, in other words we must make a little longer the body of the parrot. This is the body, okay, like this, and we will make a little bit longer. Okay, in the next row we will put a dark green here, and then one light, then we put 4 yellow, and then again 4 light green, and in the end 2 dark green. Okay, and we will have something like this. And now we will start to make the tail of the parrot. Right, for the tail of the parrot we will put 9 inverted pieces. Alright, and we have 10 pieces in this last row, and we will put 4 inverted pieces. Okay, and oh, here I mistake. Here we must put a light one like this, and then we put 2 light green, and then we put 3 yellow. These will be inverted pieces, okay, and then again 2 light green, and then we put 2 dark one. Just a moment. Okay, we put 9 inverted pieces. Then in the next row we will put again inverted pieces and 1 dark green here, then we put 2 light green, then 3 yellow like this, and in the end 2 light green. Okay, and we will have something like this. Okay, in the next row, here where we have dark green, we will put only 2 light green, then yellow, 3 yellow, and in the end 2 light green. We will lose a piece on every row. Okay, and it is the third inverted row. Now we put 1 light here, then we put 2, I'm sorry, we put 2 light green, then 2 yellow, and in the end another 2 inverted green, light green, like this. Then we put 1 light green, then 3 yellow, and in the end another one light green like this. Right, these are fifth inverted piece. Right, we have 5 inverted rows and we will put another 2 inverted rows. Okay, in the next row we will put one light green here, then 2 yellow, and in the end another one light green. Alright, this is the head of our bird, okay, without the peak. And for making this we will make a little base made from light green, 3 rows, every rows have 6 pieces, and then we will double the pieces very easily. We put one piece here in this space, and then we will put 2 pieces like this, okay? Then in the other one we will put another piece, and in the same way. And in this method we will increase the number of the pieces to 12 pieces, okay? And now let's show you on this finished one. Alright, it's very simple that I show you 3 little base made from 6 pieces and 3 rows. Then we will increase the number of the pieces to 12, and in the next row we will put 2 black pieces. Let 2 pieces between this one. This will be the eyes, okay? Let a free space, okay? After you put the eyes, put another 5 normal rows, 12 pieces on every row. You can make here, if you want, a little model, or you cannot make this little yellow triangle, okay? And then we will put the peak. Okay? For making the peak, here we will be a little tricky. I'm sorry, but I do not have a very good light here. Okay, if you look very closely, you will see that between these 2 eyes we will have a piece here, exactly in the middle. Okay, and in this piece you put a piece in every pocket. Okay, see, put one piece in one pocket and the other one in the other pocket. Okay, and then very simple, put another yellow one, or if you have a light orange will be better. And this is our head. And now for connected with the body, we will put 4 pieces, inverted pieces here, and be careful to be exactly in the middle. Okay, in this direction of the tail, put 4 inverted pieces. We put 2 inverted pieces, and now we will put another one here and another one in the other part. Okay, very simple. I hope you can see this. Alright, and now very easy, we will connect these pieces and this will be our bird. Alright, and this is our parrot finish. Okay, put a little glue here and it will be very good. Alright, I will make another time another model. I want to make some wings here, but I say that for the beginning to try to keep this model as simple as I can. Alright, I am sorry again, I do not have a very good light to make this video, but I hope you can manage to understand how to make this model. Okay? If you have any questions, you can ask me here to my Raska Papercraft YouTube channel. If you like my video, please write, subscribe or make a comment. Alright, have a nice day.